Yo, what's up guys, this is Sarah from AuCar Auto. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys in your journey to the basic function of our Tesla screen designed for Ford F150 250. And we got a screen right now here, so follow me. And in the homepage, you can find these console parts, but everything is black before you install it. Okay, let's back to the main screen. A lot of apps like the CarAuto. We got pre-installed CarAuto and Android Auto for you to hook up the wireless CarPlay. Yeah, that's the CarAuto and Android Auto. I'm gonna show you how to get it connected and to use the CarPlay later. Alright. Alright, here is the screen made for Ford F150 250 and for a year 2015 to 2021. But we did got a key to fit 2009 to 2014 year Ford F150 250. Alright, let's start from the home page. Actually, it's a 14.4 inch screen size. We did got a smaller screen size option. You guys can choose whatever you like. Alright, this is the home page style and this is the trim. Alright, we got two options for the homepage style as well, and you can go over them to change the homepage style, the wallpaper, the day and night mode in our settings. You can customize a lot of things in the settings. Alright, that's the main screen. You can find that we have pre-installed a lot of apps here. Definitely, you can go to the Google Play Store to download anything that you would like to. You can even download games on it. Alright, and all of these units, we have retained the brain module of your star radio. So your factory systems, including the climate control and factory risk camera, stereo control. Our unit can deliver seamless integration with that. So you can tell whatever the fan speed, the sleep cooling, sleep heating, and auto AC, the temperature. All of these things, they can be realized controlled by touch the screen, and everything is super highly responsive. It's running smoothly. Alright, let's go back, and if no reaction on the screen, it will pop down automatically. That's for the home page. This is a classic one, a modern. Let me show you the classic style. You can tell everything is super highly responsive. Okay, let's go for that. You can find this totally a different style, different interface. If you turn it into another homepage style, we got a lot of widgets here. You can customize the apps here, and here's the navigation thing. Alright, that's the navigation. It's definitely a game changer and a huge upgrade compared with your star radio. You can barely do nothing with that very small screen and with a lot of complicating apps. But look at this screen. Alright, it's a very large screen. If you would like to see every details or the whole view of this map, just zoom in or zoom out. You can realize everything that you would like to do. And that is, you can, if you're the guy that have a bad sense of the direction, you can just recall a railroad condition direction. It's a 360-degree overview. Alright, it's really convenient for those who have bad sense of direction, just like me. Alright, and then it's even, you can apply it with a full screen. So it's pretty convenient. Alright, go back. Anyway, that's the terrain map. We do got another option for the GPS navigation map, a satellite map. So it's totally different visual. That's the thing for the navigation. If you don't want to be distracted while driving, you don't want to type, alright, you can activate the voice control. Houston. You can tell it's really intelligent and very smart. Alright, that's for the navigation thing. Alright, here you can see it's the main screen. A lot of apps, they can work definitely properly. And alright, let's first go to the music and HD movies. These two are for you to play some offline media if you got no internet to access. Alright, and every unit comes with a very powerful equalizer for you to tune the sound quality. If you are the guy that have high demand for the sound quality, just go for the equalizer and customize your own audio style. We can support preset 60 bands and 6 sound effect modes. Alright, and you can split left to find we have low pass filter, high pass filter, strong bass, some clear delays, some balance. That's really helpful. Alright. And if you would like to play any videos by HD movie, you can apply with a full screen together for immersive experience. Alright, and full screen can also work whatever you use on YouTube, TV, Netflix. Alright. So yeah, let's play something. Okay, let's go with it one. That's how does it work, alright? And if you want to get full immersive experience when you watch something like live session, basketball game, football game, go for that one. Hit the button. Alright. So yeah, that's it. You can find barely no lag, barely no. Everything is working very good, very well. Alright, anyway, that is the main screen. You can see there are a lot of apps that we pre-installed. Basically, yeah, we can go through the settings for you to see. Firstly, the first part for the genre, you can see we can have options for the homepage style. 2 options for the homepage style. Alright, and the difference between that one is the interface screen. And another difference is that, let me turn it to another one. So the difference between the 2 homepage options is that this one, under this style, you can customize the wallpaper directly. But in case, just make sure you got a picture placed here in a easy profile. Alright, that's the difference. And we got a day in a mode. Alright, this one is definitely suitable for using driving and nights. For the time, day in a mode, we also got dimmer, but if I adjust the dimmer, make it appear with a day mode, it would be more clear. Alright, into the power language, we can support over 60 languages. Alright, the units. Audio, the equalizer for you to tune the sound quality. Mic gain. Video in motion. Of course, this one you can of course activate or deactivate. It's just up to your own mind. If you activate that one, alright, you can not be allowed to play any videos while driving. But this design is totally considered for your safety. Alright, mind your safety while driving. And this is the user interface with a default Navi app. Usually the default Navi is the apps, but you can customize other apps like a Waze and Navi, Yonex Navi. Alright. The blue logo. You can also select a picture here to customize as your own blue logo. And let's reboot this system and to see how does blue logo work. But we don't customize a blue logo right now for this unit. Okay, here we go. If you do got your own picture here, it will appear the picture that you set. I've customized that one and for it to customize the apps that place in the widgets. Voice control. Alright, that's all the setting guides, include all of these things. Network. Okay, usually for the network thing, you need to give it a hotspot from the iPhone and get it connected. And also you do got another option is that you can like get a dongle and insert a 4G SIM card to get the unit hook up with the internet. Alright, that's the two options. The window settings compatible with your stereo control. Software version, that's all the info about the unit itself. Upgrade. Usually, when Alright, that's something about our settings, but definitely there are more for you to explore. If you got any questions, let me know down below. Alright, for the CarPlay connection, firstly, I'll get your iPhone prepared and go to the settings to activate the Bluetooth. Okay, open the Bluetooth and find the Bluetooth on this screen as well. Hit this button, find the device name that belongs to your iPhone, and also you can find that the device name belongs to this test screen on your iPhone. Alright, like you can see, this is the device name, which is this Bluetooth 7040. Alright, and that's exactly this one. And actually you have get it connected before, so maybe it will be connected automatically. And just find it that actually it's already connected automatically. So when you open the CarAuto again, then you will find it's connecting. So anyway, that's how everything gonna work for the CarPlay connection. And synchronous contact list, hands-free phone call, all of these things. Alright.